Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a reputable VPN that offers residential or mobile exits, and active Adsterra account access. Connect the VPN to the target country that matches your Adsterra campaign. Once connected, set split tunneling or route only your browser through the VPN so other apps stay local. This avoids fingerprint changes and keeps testing consistent. Make sure to record the exit IP and note Adsterra offer restrictions. Those details determine the next configuration steps you'll perform. Now you configure the browser and traffic, disable WebRTC, clear cookies and local storage, and apply privacy extensions to reduce leaks. In the VPN or proxy, choose a city or ISP that matches your Adsterra targeting. This improves conversion odds. Next, run controlled test traffic. Send a handful of impressions and clicks, then check Adsterra's dashboard for correct geolocation and device info. Once done, compare headers and IP in developer tools against expected values to confirm everything routes through the VPN. Finally, launch cautiously. Set low bids and small budgets, then watch metrics for 24 to 48 hours before scaling. Monitor conversions, bounce rates, and geolocation reports in Adsterra. Abnormal spikes often indicate VPN leaks or blacklisted exits. If you see problems, immediately rotate the exit IP or switch to another residential node, then rerun your test batch. As a key troubleshooting tip, always check for DNS and WebRTC leaks first. Fixing leaks usually resolves most geolocation and tracking mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.